Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about stroke and stroke rehab. Stroke affects young as well as old people. When a person is struck by stroke, the complete life changes, not only of the patient but also of the caretakers who are around them. So when we see an emergency or an ambulance going, we give way to the ambulance, right? So that the person should leave. Whether he has got a heart issue or a stroke, whatever, the person should reach the hospital at time and get the acute care and survive, or he or she should not die. But what happens after this acute phase? Whenever a stroke happens to a person, it can affect in various ways. He may not have any physical or mental deficits, or few of them may have, say 30 to 40% of the people end up having some of the other deficits. What happens after this acute phase is what I am concerned about. That is where the complete rehab is more important. And the sooner we start, as soon as there is a stroke, the brain is still pliable. The surrounding area, which are like water deficient plant, if we provide the proper nurturing or the proper rehab, it all will bloom and it will get back its function, or the person need not go into a disability or suffer with complications, as will happen if the person will not take a proper rehab. So what does this complete rehab include? It includes mainly the medical management. Medical management per se, I mean, there are many complications which a stroke person can get into in the acute phase. When there is a doctor, dedicated doctor, a physiatrist, to look into these complications, they will help in prevention of these complications or treat it at the earlier phase so that it does not affect his rehab process. The other team members of the complete rehab includes a speech language pathologist who will concern with the swallowing issues of the patient, the speech issues of the patient, cognitive issues of the patient. The other team member would be the occupational therapist who will focus on day-to-day daily activities of the patient as well as getting back to work. And if the patient is initially in the comatose phase, they would help the patient to come out of the comatose phase by various technologies or the therapies that they use. The next important team member would be the physical therapist who would help in the mobility of the patient from day one. There are also other team members who, as and when required, we involve, like a psychologist, because most of the stroke patients, when they were very much active in the earlier phase and suddenly they become bed bound or wheelchair bound or whatever happens, they tend to go into a phase of a different mood. I would not say depression per se, but say a low mood or a different interest. So all those things, when addressed comprehensively at a single point of time or a place, the patient would come out or recover to the maximum extent possible. It is possible to get the patient back to their previous occupation with maybe limited disability, or I would say different ability. So we focus mainly for the complete recovery of the patient back to the society, back to his or her place of work, so that patient can live happily, patient caretaker are less burdened, and they also can live carefree. So after stroke, so many years are lost because of the disability, like they are wheelchair bound and they are just at home, and there has to be a caretaker who are there with their at all the time. So if it is a family member, they also cannot go to work, and there is so much of financial burden to the family, and which leads to the frustrations within the family, and the relationship get bad. All these things can be avoided if the patient is taking early rehab. The patient himself or herself can go to the work, or the caretaker can take up that job, and they would be carefree when they are going for the work. When it comes to the complete rehab, we at Aster RV have the entire team to take care of the patient, and we can help them to get back to their life as early as possible. If anything, you can consult me. I am Dr. Sumalata, consultant physical medicine and rehabilitation at Aster Hospitals. I have done my MBBS and then MD degree from AIIMS Delhi in the specialization called physical medicine and rehab, where we look into the complete rehab of the patient and not just one particular part of the body. Thank you.